Let's start with setting up the Playard. Undo the strap and roll out the frame from the mattress and set the mattress aside. Lift each rail until it clicks, but don't press the center down just yet. It won't lock if you do. Once all 4 rails are locked, press the center of the Playard down until it clicks into place. Place the mattress soft side up inside the Playard. Feed the corner straps through the slots and snap them underneath. You can unzip the side door to make threading the mattress straps through the slots easier. Once your Playard is set up, you can install the full-size bassinet if you want to raise sleep space for your newborn. First, take the mattress out of the Playard. You'll use it for the bassinet. Attach the mesh bassinet to the zipper around the top of the Playard and zip it closed all the way around so it sits flush. Secure the 2 clips on the sides of the bassinet to the Playard frame. Insert the loose support tubes into the center tubes to form the base of the bassinet. Make sure each tube clicks into place. Place the mattress pad on top, soft side up, and check that all 4 corners lay flat. Your Playard also has a convenient changing area for baby. Here's how to assemble it. First, find the 2 rails with the kickstands. Snap them together at their long ends to form one long piece. With the changer facing down, slide the kickstand rail set into the fabric channel so the large holes line up with the kickstand ends. Next, take the 2 other rails with the plastic corners and snap them together at their long ends to form another long piece. Then slide the corner rail set into the other fabric channel so the small holes line up with the plastic ends. Snap the kickstand rail set and the corner rail set together, making sure it stays inside the fabric. Snap the 2 short connector tubes into the plastic corners. Insert the connector tubes into the Playard's corners until they click. The portable bassinet can be used on its own or attached to the Playard. Start on one side. Slide the first leg onto the rail until it clicks. Then attach the second leg the same way. Switch to the other side and repeat. This might feel a little tighter, so use steady pressure. Attach the canopy to the sides of the bassinet using the Velcro. Then to attach the portable bassinet to the Playard, line up the handles on each end with the slots in the bassinet clips. Push the bassinet straight down onto the slots. Once assembled, your Playard should look like this, with the bassinet, changer, and portable bassinet all attached. Lift the portable bassinet out using the handles. Press the release buttons on the short tubes and lift off the changer. Take out the mattress, then unclip and unzip the full-size bassinet from the Playard frame. Pull up on the center floor, then press the side rail buttons to fold the frame. Wrap the mattress around the folded Playard, fasten the strap, and slide everything into the carry bag. Make sure the handle stays out for easy carrying.